From February 2nd to 7th, 2024, MPOC participated in the Worldchefs Village at the IKA Culinary Olympics 2024 in Stuttgart, Germany, to promote Malaysian palm oil. Partnering with nonosugar health tech and Saha Asia Industries, MPOC showcased various palm oil-derived products and hosted 4 engaging cooking demonstrations. Dishes included mee siam.
Smells very good. Sedap.
Salted egg prawn.
Wonderful. Can you say it to the camera?
Nyonya grilled fish, and perchik chicken mac and cheese.
Do you enjoy the meal?
Wonderful. I can taste the oil. The oil is neutral.
It doesn't have a flavor. Yeah. So that's why when you cook with it, whatever that you cook, you'll get the flavor from the ingredients, not from the oil. Yeah.
The event increased awareness and garnered significant media coverage for Malaysian palm oil. Thank you for your support, and stay tuned for more updates.
No sugar.